In today's episode, bruh, yo, we got Chainsaw Man. Now, I've never read the manga on this, but this is episode 1, so what better way to start and get into Chainsaw Man by watching the first episode? I believe this comes to us from Mappa Studios, bro. This is a real anime, so you know what? We doing a little bit of different reaction. Let's go ahead. Let's roll straight into the Chainsaw Man. Let's get it. I feel like this is gonna be a mix of like 3D animation as well as some 2D animation. Just normal drawing. I'm cool. I'm here with the 3D CGI stuff, bro. Let me cut this down just a smidge. Man, what is that? Is that like a little creature? What is that? What is that? Y'all, hey, I know some of y'all read the manga, bro. Don't spoil it for me, bro. He sound like a little dog. He a little puppy? That's his little puppy, huh? I seen images. I know the puppy got like a chainsaw coming out of his face, so I'm not completely ignorant. You know what I mean? But I don't know enough about this series. I don't understand how he becomes the Chainsaw Man. I don't get it. But off rip though, I mean, look at the way the leaves flow. The little grass was flowing. Looks good. This dude sold his kidney. Sold one of his family jewels. Sold an eye. What is he that broke? He need money like that. Oh, he's in debt. How much is that, bro? That's gotta be a lot of money. Hey, that thing kind of cute. Pochita. So that's how he's cutting. That's how he's cutting down the trees with his chainsaw dog. What is that thing, bro? Oh, he hungry. Light work. Made light work of him. Oh, it's like a mutated sort of creature. Tomato devil?
そこから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料。
Damn. Watch, he ain't make no money off this at all. He was gonna make 400,000.
水道代を払って他のとこにしてる借金を払うと不思議だな。
What's his name? Pochita? He's so cute though. I ain't even going front, bro. I want a little Pochita pet.
今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから。ポチタ、今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ。
That's rough. Slice of bread for dinner, bro? That's rough. That's rough. Run the ones. This fool about to get fake.
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親。
Oh, he absorbed his dad's debt? Damn.
ちゃんとしたデビルハンターはな、俺たちヤクザに悪魔の死体流しちゃくれねえぞ。それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ。
So these creatures are called devils, and so he has a pet devil.
おい、犬。このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
That's wild, bro.
マジっすか。
Why his teeth like that? That's wild, bro. For 100 gin?
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
He gamed him. Hey, let's go. Hey, he's smart. He was about to eat that.
この間聞いたんだけどさ、 普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどな。死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しねえし。俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。
Rip.
こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし。
He just worried about getting some, that, we don't even have to explain it. He want a girlfriend, bro. Don't we all?
女抱いてから死にてえな。
See, I told you. He's just looking to get his rocks off, bro. Trying to, bust one real quick. So this is him, I'm assuming, when his pops died and left him with this tremendous amount of debt. Like, bro, what a father, man. How you go get... Oh, he did the unspeakable deed. Hey, yo, he threatened a child. He had to be every bit of 10 years old. He said he would whore yourself out, chop yourself up, and we'll sell you for bits.
悪魔だ。俺を殺すなら殺せよ。どうせ死ぬんだ。
Damn, I already know I'm gonna like this anime, bro. I'm feeling it. It's feeling mad deep. You know what I'm saying? It's got the... Oh, he injured. He got shot.
お前も死ぬのか。
Why my man's got shark teeth? I still gotta figure that out, bro. We only episode 1. Let me not worry about that. Oh, he saw his dad,
悪
bro.
魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないなら噛め。
So there's our premise. So devils heal from drinking blood.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。俺を助けろ。
And that was when their pack was formed, bro. Okay. Okay. That's cool, though. He's an interesting little pooch.
俺をデビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
His skill set must be refined, bro. He's been going around hunting these devils for quite some time.
のこと考えてもっと寝れねえ。決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
Just hugging each other, bro.
Either.
Without you, yeah, nah. Oh, is this dude sick, bro?
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだとよ。
デンジ、悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
I mean, if all reality, he's probably been doing this for years. He's paid off a considerable amount of his father's debt that he has now acquired, which is crazy. I'm assuming this is the Yakuza.
夢くらい見させてほしいよな。
Dang, bro. Let's see how this rolls. See how this plays out. I am really digging the animation, though. The animation is phenomenal. It's clean. I like the mix of the 3D animation. It just fits. It feels right. It looks good. It looks great. I already know I'm gonna really rock with this series, bro. I'm excited for more episodes to come for sure.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね？あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
This feels like a setup. This feels like a setup.
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
はい
犬みてえに従順だし。
That's wild. And you work for cheap like one too. That's wild, bro. But we gotta let you go. They set this man up. That's cold-blooded. That's foul. Stabbed him and the dog.
俺たちヤクザもよ。
Wow.
もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
What? Wait a minute. What the?
俺
Okay.
たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
So he set up with a devil?
望むのはデビルハンターの死。
Oh, that's
デビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。
that's wild.
めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。
Okay, so devil power turns him
ゾンビの
into.
悪魔だから。
He's a zombie devil, so it turns him into his zombies. Okay.
殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。みんな、そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも
That's
捨てちゃって。
wild. So they were trying to get more power and it backfired on them. Okay, I see how this is playing out. Yo, Pochita, is Pochita all right, bro? Pochita, are you cool? Yo, give him some blood so you can. Nah. So this is how you get the chainsaw on his head, huh? He get Pochita's power. I don't know about you, but I'm not walking with a hole in my chest. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm lying down dead. I'm pretending to be dead. Just go ahead, end it all. Take me, bro. I'm gone. Oh, damn! Hacked his back. Oh my god! Oh, damn! This is violent. I'm here for it.
金持ちになりたいわけじゃね
So forget your debt, bro.
え。ただせめて普
Your
通の
body,
生
you're
活
chopped
が
up
した
into
い
little
だけな
pieces,
んだ
bro.
んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
How he still alive? How he got literally, he's just getting stabbed up like a million times, bro. He got to be dead, bro. That's rough, bro. That's absolutely rough, man. RIP. Before the show even started, bro. It's done. Damn, they chopped the dog up. Wait, is his head? They cut his head off? They chopped up the dog. They chopped him up. Oh, but he's gonna heal because of the blood. Pochita's back.
ポチタ仕事に行くぜ
This man was a whole lumberjack, bro. He was out here cutting down trees with his chainsaw dog. And his head got chopped off. Good God almighty, bro.
ポチタ俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれない
RIP. He crazy
そうしたら
foreshadowing.
ポチタだけが心残りだ
Crazy foreshadowing.
ガラス化して死ぬかもしれねえし他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ
So I'm assuming that
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れる
I've heard some devils can take over dead bodies. Okay, so this is how we're finding out about a little bit about this stuff.
俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ墓入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろ
Interesting. So he's gonna take over his body. So it's
この街を出て
Pochita, the main antagonist or the protagonist, the main character. I
普
don't
通
know,
の
bro.
暮らしをして普通の死に方をしてほしい俺の夢を叶えてくれよ
That was a pact that they had, bro. So he's got to serve it. Oh man, he's like repairing his body, bringing it back together. That's absolutely insane. That's wild. He's got a dog, chainsaw dog sticking out his gut.
ポチタ
Pochita.
俺
That's
の
how you gotta
体
say it.
ちゃんと奪えたか
私はデンジの夢の話
Oh,
を
he
聞くのが
talks
好きだ
now
った
too. Okay, he got cute little voice too. I like that.
これは契約だ
I'll give you my heart.
私の心臓をやる代わりに
And in exchange, I want you to show me your dream.
私に見せてくれ
Oh, so he's not gone. Pochita, that's what I'm gonna call Pochita, is a part of him now.
傷が
Bro, you literally died, bro. You literally died.
落ちた
Oh shoot, here we go. Here's the transformation. Here we go. I'm gonna get hyped. I already know it. I'm feeling it, bro. He's about to rage.
どういうこと
Yank that thing, bro. Yank that thing, bro.
なんでキモ
Yank that thing,
やっ
bro.
ぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い
Debbie
みんな
Boo Hunter.
そいつ食べちゃって
Yank that cord, bro. Look, he already know what to do. Okay, he finna get nasty with it. He finna sauce on him.
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望ん
Cause of
だ
greed, man. You know, it's a hell of a thing.
ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくてもっといい生活を夢に見たんだそうかみんな夢見ちまうんだなじゃあ悪いことじゃねえ
So now he's a devil now.
じゃねえけど邪
Hey,
魔すん
it's about to be tight. He about to yank that thing, bro.
死ね
Oh, that was anticlimactic. I thought he was gonna be like, row, row, you know, but like he just got jumped on, bro.
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう
Y'all nasty. Y'all over here eating, mans. All right, here comes the slices. Y'all hear that? Yes, sir. Oh, shoot. Bro, had a chainsaw come out of his face, and now he's got chainsaws in his arms? Hey, let's go. Oh, okay, I'm here with it. I'm here with it.
なんだお前
I'm a devil, homie. What's good, bro?
体を乗っ取ったのか仲間だな
Oh my god! Yo! Yeah, forget that eye, bro. Now you can't see. Oh, animation on 10. Animation on 10. Like that gonna do something. This is wild, bruh. This is insane. Bro, could you imagine having chainsaws come out your arm, bro? That doesn't sound fun. Oh, I want that brain. I want that brain. Oh, he all up in your guts. Pause. Yo, that was gory, bro. And I'm here for it. Now that they don't got no central brain, do these zombies just drop dead or what? It's like a hive mind, right? Oh, now I gotta kill y'all all.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね
Golly.
てめえら全員殺せばよ借金はバーだぜ
Hey, at least he don't owe no more money, right? I mean, that's... Oh, he kind of going in. He got like bloodlust, bro. He going insane. That had to be a gang of devils, bro. And he squared his debt. He squared his debt away. Are these like official devil hunters? Like the real deal? Bruh, slayed.
先を越されたね。
How come he ain't transformed back?
生きてるのがいますね。
Uh oh, it's about to get hairy.
君、変わった匂いがするね。
What you
人
mean
で
by
も
that?
悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの？
This man said, hug me, bro. All he wanted was a woman. You know what I'm saying? He needed a woman's touch. I can't blame him. I can't blame him. I like a nice hug, you know. I get my wife to hug me every now and then. Oh, so that's how he transformed back? It just melts right off? That's crazy.
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は？
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
Okay, so they got devil hunters that are part of public safety. They're like the ops, but like he's gonna be working.
君
Well,
の
I'm,
選択肢は2つ。
either you die or what?
悪魔として私に殺されるか。
Damn, she a savage, bro. She a savage. Or you
人と
come
し
work
て
with us.
私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Dang, okay. Yeah, feed me. You know what I'm saying? You keep me fed. I definitely don't want to go out like one of them guys.
さて、朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバター。
That's all he wanted, bro. He just wanted bread with some jelly on it, bro. Some toast.
デザートかな？
最高じゃないっすか。
Bruh. Yeah, I'm liking this. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm liking this, bro. So that was episode 1, man. I don't know about y'all, but I'm super excited for it. Let's just cut through this and let's see what they got. Anything after the credits? Bro, listen. That is today's episode, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed that episode 1 reaction of Chainsaw Man. If y'all are ready to continue the series with me, man, be sure to smash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this, and don't forget, click that notification bell. Thank y'all for rocking with your boy, and until next time, bro, I'll see y'all in the next one. We probably got Mob Psycho coming up, so I'll see y'all in the next episode, baby. Peace.